Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woohoo! Apparently, it's working just fine.
Monkey Bros. Put them inside.
What? So after a lot of research and the willingness of Sebastian to have a gaming PC, we got to the conclusion that it's better to build one
then make
instead
them
of
buy one.
Besides, it's more fun. So we have here our power supply.
We'll quickly open this up.
We went for a Corsair. I just hope that 750 watts are okay for what we want to build. Let's see what we've got here. Yes, it is the motherboard. The motherboard. So we have decided to go for MSI. So we're gonna use a Ryzen processor. And we bought one
with Wi-Fi.
with Wi-Fi. Although it's a shame to use Wi-Fi in a gaming PC. So I don't know if we're gonna open this now because we have to wait for the other components. I'm not sure of what we've got in this box. Let's see what we've got here.
Oh.
Okay, so this is very cool. We didn't want to have a water cooler, so we have decided to go for this one, which is air only. However, this is a beast. This can support even the Ryzen 9 5900
It's heavy.
or 5950.
Okay, wait.
And we've got something else here.
The memory.
Wow, the cooler is huge. I just hope it fits in our tower. That we're going to get the tower in a couple of days. And here we have our memories.
Wait,
we have decided to go for Corsair as well.
Wait, did you buy the SSD?
Actually, I'm not sure if we bought the SSD. We need to check that. So here we have two memories. They have RGB. So I think it's a standard sequence of colors. We're gonna see once we put them together. We put all of these together.
Okay, time for the unboxing.
So there's another box inside a box.
Box in a box. Wow.
So here we have the components to fix that on the motherboard. Let's see here. And here is, it's not as big as we thought. You know, we got scared because of the box. There's something very cool in this thing here. It's not aesthetically, it's not one of the best. In terms of performance, I guess this is one of the best. Oh, I see. We have to put them together.
No, it's only one. The other one is in.
Let's see how it works. Yeah, I mean, it comes with one here, and we have to fix the other one. And in those pins here, you can put some accessories to make that a bit more attractive.
So this is the fan.
I think it's 140.
No, it's 120.
It's 120, does it say? It doesn't say in the box, but it doesn't seem to be 120. There is a very easy way for us to know. Can I open it?
Okay, guys, so this is actually a 140 fan. I was mistaken. Power supply now. We took off all the plastic wrapping because I know you wouldn't like to see that. That's boring. Here we go. So good thing it has UK cables because that's where we live. Cable management, important information, the manual. What's this? Oh, it's opening up. We don't want that to happen. Okay. Ah, more cables.
Actually, it's
Cables to connect.
all the cables we could possibly need.
Yeah.
Because actually, we get a modular power source.
Guys, are you doing a YouTube video?
Wow, it's quite big as well.
YouTube video?
Yes, we're doing a YouTube
I'm
video.
playing Fortnite.
Yeah, so we're gonna play Fortnite in
On
this
this.
beast. And let's see. Okay, see you soon, guys, when we receive the next part. So we're gonna start to put this together. We have absolutely no idea of what we're doing.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can pull that off.
So guys, the case just arrived.
I can't believe it. What a wonderful surprise. IQ, let's see. Oh my god, it's so exciting. Okay, it's quite large.
And yeah,
I think it has 21 or yes, 21 centimeters because the last one, I mean, Sebastian had chosen a tower that was wide and full of stuff. I don't know why he decided to.
I like this one more.
You like this one more? Okay, it has glass on it, so we need to be really careful.
Oh, of course.
He's here.
The dustpan.
Okay, let's see. Need to find out how if it opens or not.
Yep.
Here
you
is
open
the
this. Do you have any
power switch.
Do you have any only
Two
one?
US4 actually. Here is the glass. It comes with. Does it come with any fun? Yeah,
Yes.
it does.
No, you have to open it. Guys, this computer looks sick. You mean the case?
We're gonna have to remove two of those slots here. And it's quite good though because some of them you have to cut. Actually, this one you can take it off and put it back if you want. So we're gonna have to remove these two here to have the graphic cards.
Okay, so guys, we're opening the back of the PC, which is technically where they said is where the light cabling is.
We have here
I can
the
store-
hard drive drawer.
I can store my money here now.
So basically we have space for two hard drives. It says here that it comes with 20 fine screws, 18 HD screws, OD SSD screws. I don't know if it's already attached to
Lighting
the
rod and
case
standard.
or no, actually.
Do I put this back there?
It's just one thing, guys. I just hope it works because we have absolutely no idea of
We
what
have
we're
to
doing
turn
here.
this onwards.
We have to get that fixed here.
No, I think it's upside down.
Yeah, actually it's upside down.
Oh no,
So this is how it should go.
both ways is upside down. Well, I have an idea. First of all, slide it in through there. You don't listen to me, don't you, Dad?
The first thing we should do is to install the processor.
But
And we don't have a processor. I think if you don't have a processor, we should wait and keep on going later on. Because you leave all these components exposed in the CPU without a processor until we get one. So I don't think it's any good to just leave it inside the tower. Oh my god, it's much more difficult than we thought, but apparently it's very straightforward. Here's the 24-pin ATX. There is just one way that it could possibly go, which is here. There's another connector here. We still don't have our processor. Yeah, we're gonna make it. I'm sure that we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it work. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it is in its place. Now we have to choose the best way to pass the cable through. So we have system fan 3 and 4 at the bottom, and system fan 1 and 2 at the top. So we have to choose where we're gonna connect those babies here. Let's see. Something very important that I have just noticed here. You cannot just connect the
This is a big computer, guys.
cannot just connect the fan system here randomly in the motherboard. So it needs to be this one in the system 1, this one the system 2, this one in the 3. So I need to follow up these cables to make sure that I'm connecting that in the right place. Okay guys, after several hours I got to the conclusion that my tower is a bit small for what I need here. I'm just connecting the memories here. Most of the cables are already connected. I was unlucky with the power supply here. Here you can see an iPhone, which is my guru. There is an IT guy here talking to me whilst I'm doing this. I had to do it. I had to remove here the HDD drawers. So in order to fit the power supply, I don't know how I'm going to organize these cables here in order to put the drawers back, but I'm gonna figure that out. Okay, according to my IT guy, which is here with me, seeing what I'm gonna do now, he says that I can plug that in and try to turn that on without the processor, without the SSD, without anything. So here we go. Okay, he says that I can do it, so I'm gonna do it. Apparently, it's working just fine. Okay, in a couple of days, I'm going to receive the graphics card, the processor, and the SSD. So those are the only parts that are missing for us to finish this. And let's see how this project turns out. I think it was worth it to buy those RGB memories. They look really cool. And besides, we made a mistake. We meant to buy a white tower, and Sebastian changed his mind in the very last minute, and we forgot to change the power supply to black. So we ended up having this white one with white cable. But actually it looks really cool because the RGB lights lights up the cable, which is white, and yeah, it doesn't look bad at all.